Good morning, student. I am Uma Shankar Singh, science teacher. Today my topic is crop production and management. What is crop? Crop means that is same types of crops are cultivated in a particular place. That is crop means same types of grains plants are cultivated in a particular place, that is crop. And crop production, that is large production of same types of plants, that is crop production. In our India, different types of season like summer season, rainy season, winter season. So different types of crop or production in different places. In June to September, that times is Kharif crops are developed in that time, that is paddy plants. In like rainy season, that crops is cultivated in that times. And another thing is cultivated the crop is rabi crops, that crops is in October to March, that is rabi crops. In that season, wheat, gram, mustard, etc. are production. In our country, different types of crop in different places are production, and such challenges are in our country that crop is demand on person in different places, so that is transported to one place to another places, that is management. That types of crop is one places to another places transport, and that is cool and dry, both according to needs of that crops, that is transported in one place to another places. Or our population is more, so demand is more, our crop development requirement is more because our population is more, so person demand the more grains, so our production is necessary to develop more. So but the crops are in our country in different places, different crops are develops, so transportation is the biggest challenges. From one place to another places that crops is transported and supplied to person public, so needed, that is demand of that crops. So that things to that crops are agriculture, the farmer in cultivated one places to another places, so management of that things to crop management and that their production, both are challenges. So our scientist and another person help to farmer to better production of our crops and supply to public so easily, and less cost are to maintain all ever. So new technology are developed for farmer, so easily to crop cultivated in one places and easily transport to one places to another places. So that topics, that is crop production and management. That is the crop production management. First thing I say to you, that is crop production. Crop production means same types of crop are cultivated in a particular place. That is crop production. That works are done our farmer in our country. That is two types of crops, kharif crop and rabi crops. Okay, and next again topics in next classes. Thank you. Okay, bye.